Hey there, aspiring authors. Ever dreamed of turning your passion for writing into a steady income? You're in the right place. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to make money writing books. First up, traditional publishing versus self-publishing. Traditional publishing means landing an agent and a book deal, but it can take forever and you lose some control. Self-publishing, you're the boss. You keep more royalties and make all the decisions. Want to know the best platform for self-publishing? Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP. It's easy to use and reaches millions of readers. Other good ones include Ingram Spark for wider distribution. The steps: format your book, design a killer cover, and upload. Simple. But here's the kicker. Marketing. No sales without marketing. Use social media to build a buzz, start an email list, and run ads. Book reviews are gold. Get those early and often. Engage with your readers to create a loyal fan base. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify. Besides selling books, try freelance writing, blogging, or even creating online courses. Building an author platform helps you reach more people and opens up more revenue streams. All right, let's recap. We covered traditional versus self-publishing, the nuts and bolts of self-publishing, and the magic of marketing and diversification. Now, it's your turn. Start writing, get published, and turn those words into cash. Hit that subscribe button for more tips on making money with your writing.